Hello, welcome to Come Draw With Me. Today we're going to draw Kiki from BabyBus, but as Santa Claus or Father Christmas. We're going to start with the eye. Kiki has such beautiful, cute eyes, so we're going to start from that. And then Kiki's a panda, so what we're basically trying to draw is the eyes of a baby panda. It's a bit more complicated than the usual characters we're going to draw, so just make sure you have 3 circles, 2 for the eye and 1 is for the black around the eye. And then now let's move on to the nose and mouth. And let's also start drawing the hat. This is Santa Claus hat. I believe most of you are going to be very familiar with the hat that Santa usually wears, especially around the time of holiday. Don't forget the, I don't know what's it called, the circle fluffy thingy at the end of the hat. Don't forget to draw that. So there we go. And now let's add the ear, the panda ear. Let's continue with the rest of the costume. This is the belt that Santa Claus often wears. Kiki is wearing that as well. You don't have to make the belt as complicated as this, although this is actually quite simple, but if you can just like make 2 lines and then a circle or a square in the middle, that's also nice. And let's make the rest of the costume. This is the bottom hem, then the rest of the belt. This is the trousers and the other legs of the trousers, and Kiki is wearing a boot because, well, she's delivering presents all over the globe, so he's supposed to be wearing something that's not only comfortable but also durable. And now let's draw the sacks, the bags that filled to the brim with all the presents. So this is actually the box of the present that he's going to give. So, holding it with one hand. And then this is the sack that I was talking about. It's very full, so it's probably very early in the beginning of your journey, delivering presents all over the world. And we're almost done. Just going to add some lines for the shadows. And this is the blush that makes Kiki so cute. Now I'm going to draw the overall outline of the whole picture, like that. I'm trying to make it as fluffy as I can, because it's supposed to be fluffy, it's supposed to be warm, and fluffy is warm. And this is the ear. I'm going to add the blacks in the eyes to make it cute as well. And the outline for the eye. And for the other eye as well. And the shade in the mouth of Kiki from BabyBus. There we go, we're done. This is Kiki from BabyBus. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you want to know how to color it, wait for my next video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.